Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella and today I'm going to be reacting to this video here. Uber driver stands his ground against very rude passengers. So I've never seen this video before. This is going to be my first time watching it. Yeah, there's a lot of crazy Uber stories out there and like Uber scenarios. So this can also help you, like, you know, if you're ever put in a similar situation, then you can kind of like know what to do. Before I get started, if you want to check out this awesome app called Solo, we have a link in the description. If you use that link to sign up, you'll get sent $10 completely for free. So basically what the app does is it's like a business app for rideshare drivers and gig workers, and they will help you get guaranteed pay. So they'll give you an estimate of your hourly pay, and if you don't meet that estimate, they will pay you the difference. So you always know how much you're going to be making at least. And they will help you with tax preparation, getting tax deductions. They'll track your mileage for you. They have so many other awesome features that you can check out. So be sure to click that link down below in the description if you want to find out more. Also, if you want to subscribe to my personal YouTube channel, I will have that link down below as well. Anyways, guys, let's get started into this video. These videos are always interesting. Also, just want to point out, it's always good to have a dash cam. Like, you need a dash cam if you're going to be an Uber or Lyft driver, because you never know when any type of crazy scenario is going to happen. I don't know if this is real or not, because sometimes people fake these videos. But you know, if it is real, it's always good to have that video evidence.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, Uber for people? Okay. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, it's alright. We gotta get a ticket, so.
Oh yeah, just by the way, always good to have your passenger say their name to you so that you know you're picking up the right person. Yeah, just a quick little tip if you didn't know that already.
I'm happy about that.
Because your windows are black?
Exactly. Yeah. I saw the call.
So I wonder why people do that.
What? Do what?
You just don't care, like...
Okay, no. Yeah, no, you can't have your front windows tinted. You got the rear one of the truck, you want the front one, you can't have any tint on. Yeah, and the thing is, I don't live down here. I live where, like, I've never gotten
You're driving my old baby, I killed her.
No,
Yeah.
it takes over here now at times, so...
Black ice?
Yeah, black ice, yeah.
What's this? What's this? That's me recording me?
That's the dash cam for everybody in the car.
With that. Was that a nice side?
Alright, so today your best.
Do we have excess?
Huh? New Jersey? Yeah, New Jersey's like a one-party state, so that's all in the morning, so... Yeah, what?
Do we have excess?
No, we do not have access.
No.
We have...
We do it. Don't move. We can't? I can't punch you?
Okay, already this girl in the front is being really obnoxious. If you ever have a passenger like that, I feel like I mean, you can always report them and give them a bad rating. I honestly, I don't know what I would do. It's so early in the ride and she's already being really rude, but let's just see what happens.
Oh my god, are you okay?
No, so you calm down. No, but you calm down for a second.
I'm calm.
Okay, because you're together, you're supposed to radio or something like that. No, I'm
Am I not on the radio?
No, I mean, if I walk, you just stop for a second.
Yeah, we're trying to hook up.
I mean, okay, then why do you stop the film?
I know, that's why I said don't move.
Okay, so you did it.
Yes, I did. I said hold up.
Okay, alright, well, I don't want to look at this now.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this is a good rule for if you're a passenger. If you're trying to hook up music or whatever, like, unless the driver gives you permission to start, you know, like touching things in their car, just leave it up to the driver to figure that out for you, you know what I mean? Because there's really no need to just start like touching around someone else's car, and like, it's just unnecessary. It's kind of like going through someone's room and like messing around and stuff, you know what I mean?
Oh my god, we're chilling.
Oh my god, yeah, they're being so rude. They're already like insulting him. That's good that he's saying like he's just gonna drop them off.
I mean, like normally, like Ubers are pretty cool with that. I'm not saying you're not cool. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I think if your passengers are being like really rude, like these people, drop them off and have them get another Uber.
Are you having a bad day?
Not having a bad day.
You're about to lose like mad money.
That's fine.
You're about to lose mad money.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get back off. Like, I'm, drivers, they can be fucked up on the side of the road. I'm not gonna get up and down.
Yeah, that's nice of him. Like, he's actually offering to go back to where he picked them up from instead of just like dropping them off like wherever they are.
That has done it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay,
Like,
that's
literally.
fine. Okay.
That is literally like, maybe you should have been speeding, you wouldn't get pulled over, you wouldn't get
Wow, now they're like swearing at him. No, there's still like 2 minutes
I'm
left.
not taking passengers. You guys saw how the girl got in the front seat. She's touching the radio. She's like, XM, you're gonna answer this question. The guy in the back is smoking a weed pen. You guys see this, right? This is the kind of shit we have to deal with.
Oh, I didn't even notice that a guy was putting his pen in the back seat. Wait, so I don't know if this video was fake and that's why he's like explaining, or if that was like real and he just decided to like explain because he knew he was gonna upload it. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Everyone in there looking over the call me when they're leaving, like, there's no respect. No respect. Why should I take them?
True.
Why should I take them? You know? I have a dash cam. This is another reason I have a dash cam, is to record.
Yeah, that's why you need a
If I
dash
didn't have
cam,
a dash
guys.
cam, they're gonna force me to swear. And
Yeah, like in situations like these, like when the passengers, because like they think they've done nothing wrong. Like you saw, they were attacking the driver, so they're gonna go into Uber and start complaining about him being a bad Uber driver, when in reality they were being bad passengers. So now he has this dash cam footage to show to Uber as proof so that he doesn't get deactivated. Also, if you do happen to get deactivated, there's this awesome service called Driverly, and if you sign up for their Driverly premium membership, they actually will try to help you like make appeals and get you reactivated. So we have a link for that down below too if you want to check it out.
or they might deactivate, but I have footage showing the reason, why that I kicked them out of the car. That's in my car. It's not Uber's car. That's what they have a 4.56 rating, guys. 4.56 rating. You guys can see why, right? That's the reason they have a 4.56.
Yeah, so 4.56 rating is bad, which and now, okay, my passenger rating was like 4.6 at one point, but it wasn't from me. It's because I was the person who would always like order the Uber for friends after parties or whatever. Like I'm always that person ordering everyone Ubers, and like everyone ruined my rating for me. So don't order everyone Ubers all the time unless they like absolutely need it and you're their only option.
And now look, I keep getting the same request from them. I'm not gonna accept it. Why would I want to take people like that in my car? You know? So,
Yeah, I thought that'd be kind of funny if he accepted it and then like he pulls up and they're like, oh, it's you again. I don't know, but that seems to be like the end of the video. Anyways, guys, let me know what you would do down below in the comments if you were put in this situation and you had passengers like these. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from us. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.